We are nearly finished with the DBQ. It is time to start writing, and so let's actually get ready with the pre-writing. So today we're going to write a claim statement. To write the claim statement, first of all, let's take a look at what is expected. This is the rubric that's on the back of your DBQ packet. We're looking at the 3 as our target. And today we're looking at this claim and thesis. It says it includes a clear and accurate argument that answers the compelling question and includes 2 relevant reasons that support the argument. So that means there's 2 basic parts to our claim. The first part is a clear and accurate argument that answers the compelling question. So let's start by looking at the compelling question. Was the Stamp Act justified? To answer the compelling question, the easiest way to do a good kind of simple, basic claim statement is to take keywords from the claim statement, from the compelling question, and use those in our claim. And so Stamp Act is a keyword, right? We don't need the word like was. Was doesn't have any meaning by itself. It's only a word that helps us understand what's going on. The same thing, no actual meaning there. So Stamp Act, definitely needed in the claim because that's our topic, right? Stamp Act, and then justified is also needed because we need to know, was it justified or not? We have to take a position. So over on our DBQ graphic organizer and essay, you need to write down here in where it says the claim. You'll notice up above it talks about all the different parts of the essay. When I'm pre-writing, I do not go from the beginning to the end. So you notice I'm leaving this first box blank. I'm going to come to that at the end of my pre-writing. So starting with the claim. So let's see, we said I need to use this word Stamp Act and justified. So I'm going to say the Stamp Act was, you might put was not justified. That's the first part. It's not a whole sentence. We're not done, but that's the start. That gets us the part where our target said a clear and accurate argument that answers a compelling question. The Stamp Act was justified. The Stamp Act was not justified. That's all that it means. Clear, answer the question. Now, the second part, 2 relevant reasons that support the argument. Before we can do that, we need transition words. So some very common transition words that you might try out: because, as a result, so, or since. So the go-to for me is because. The Stamp Act was not justified because, and now I need 2 reasons. I'm just going to put that there. That way you guys can use this as your sentence starter. So how do I find those reasons? I don't know. I know that's what a lot of you are saying. So we did this assignment 2-10 together. You have 3 reasons the Stamp Act was justified and 3 reasons the Stamp Act was not justified. If we got that done and you wrote it all down in class. Hopefully you did. Basically all we're doing for our claim is we're putting together your opinion, short and sweet, and either 2 from up here or 2 from down there. That's your claim. That's it. Just take what was written. So if I'm saying it was justified, I'm going to take whatever I wrote here. I'm going to hit copy. And I'm going to go back over here. And I am going to paste. Now, copying all those lines won't do me any good. But whatever reasons you have there, those are the ones you're going to use. Now, while you have that reason, go ahead and come down here where it says reason number 1. So you copy your first reason here after because and put it down here in this green box as that first paragraph. You'll hit paste. Stamp Act was justified because Britain had spent a lot of money on the colonies. There we go. That would be what I'd type here and put here at the same time. Then I'll go back and I will look at the second one here, right there. My second reason, copy it, and I'm going to paste that one. And I'm going to scroll down to the blue box and paste it here. And then we're done with the claim. That's it.